morning, dears. We have completed exercise 19C. Exercise 19D, before we start exercise 19D, we should know the relations between complementary angles 90 degree minus theta and theta. As we know, a right angle triangle is used for trigonometrical ratios. If this is 90 degree, angle C is theta, what will be the value of angle A? That is 90 degree minus theta. Now, this 90 degree minus theta and theta, they makes complementary angle. And we are going to read about this only now. Just example, if I take AB as X, BC as Y and AC as Z. Okay, just you say me, my dear, sine 90 minus theta, what does it represent? According to this angle, this is perpendicular Y by Z. And cos theta also, what does it represent? Y by Z. So therefore, what can we see? Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Though this is number 1 and this is number 2. Again I am saying, if this angle is 90 minus theta, so sine 90 minus theta, P by H, Y by Z. Now cos theta is equal to B by H, Y by Z. So we can see sine 90 minus theta and cos theta is same. So it is proved, sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. This is known as complementary relation. Therefore we have so many like this. What are they? First is, we found first this sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Opposite to sin is cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. The sine and cos is vice versa. And tan and cot. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. These are the 6 complementary relations, and this exercise 19D is based on it. Is it? So let us begin exercise 19D. The first question says, you need to find, without using trigonometrical rate table, evaluate question 1 and 2. In question 1 and 2, you have to use this complementary relations. Okay, my dear. Just see question number 1. Roman number 1 is a sine 16 degree by cos 74 degree. Now sine 16 degree, may I write it sine 90 degree minus 74 degree. 19 minus 74, it gives you 16. By cos 74, 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. So sine 90 degree minus 74 degree is equal to cos 74 degree. By cos 74 degree is equal to 1 is the answer. So this we have to use. Using complementary relation, we need to finish this sums. Is it, my dear? Let us see some more from this. See question number 4. Sec 62 degree by cosec 28 degree. Now we can write it sec 90 degree minus 28 degree by cosec 28 degree, or cosec 28 degree by cosec 28 degree is equal to 1. Is it? Let us see question number 2.1. Sine square 67 degree plus sine square 23 degree. Is it my dear? So the sine square 67 degree, may I write it sine square 90 minus 67 degree, 90 minus 23 degree, it gives you 67, plus sine square 23 degree, or sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos square 23 degree, cos square theta plus sine square theta. So sine square 23 degree, sine square 23 degree, cos square 23 degree is equal to 1. We know sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Let us see number 3. Cos square 20 degree plus cos square 70 degree by sine square 59 degree plus sine square 30 degree, 31 degree. Now we can write it cos square 90 degree minus 70 degree plus cos square 70 degree. Down we can write it sine square 90 minus 31 degree plus sine square 31 degree. This only I have changed. So cos square 90 minus theta is equal to sine square theta. So sine square 70 degree plus cos square 70 degree. Sine square 90 minus theta is equal to cos square 31 degree plus sine square 31 degree, or 1 by 1, answer is 1. This is 1 and 3 from question number 2. Leftover sums I'll be sending you today as a PDF, and if there is any doubt you can ask me in comment box. Okay my dear, thank you, keep practicing.